Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change panorama settings on DJI RS 4 Pro. To do this, we'll need to swipe our finger from the right side of our screen. Here you'll be able to find panorama, then there's a few different options: 3x3, 180 degrees, 720 VR, or set it to custom. When you select custom, you can adjust the vertical and horizontal settings like this. And then we can go back, and here we have our custom settings set. Then there's the sensors. We can adjust them between different options. Focal length. Then next, there's the overlap and interval. Next is a shooting range, but it seems with those settings I can't adjust it. And when you click on start, your panorama will begin. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.